Hey guys, today I bring us a lava. No, a lava. Hey guys, today I bring a Minecraft chicken and we're gonna set up that now. Leave your like, subscribe and follow us. Alright, let's go to building it.
Nice.
Hey guys, what do you think how looks like, yeah? Good. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Most of the parts I didn't glue it, just put it in. I only glue the head in the body, but all the rest is just sit in. You can move it off and if I want, like the head and everything. So now like, subscribe, comment in the bottom, let me know what you wanna see in the next video. See you, this is the factory 3D and bye bye to the next video.